Hello everyone, this is the LeetCode problem number 268, missing number. Given an array containing n distinct numbers in the range of 0 to n, return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. Let's take a look at the examples. Given this array, the length is 3. We expect numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 is missing, so the result is 2. Given this array, the length is 2. We expect numbers 0, 1, 2. 2 is missing, so the result is 2. Given this array, the length of this array is 9. We expect numbers from 0 to 9. 8 is missing, so the result is 8. Given this array, the length is 1. We expect numbers 0 and 1. 1 is missing, so the result is 1. N is at most 10 power 4, so the brute force solution should be fast enough. The principle of the brute force solution is starting from number 0 until n, check if any of these numbers are not inside the given array. If not, then this is the answer. For I in range n plus 1. If not, I in nums, return I. The time complexity for this solution is n squared. For loop is O(n), and check if an element is inside a list or not is also O(n). Space complexity is O1. We can improve the solution this line. Check if an element is inside a list is O(n), but check if an element is inside a set is O1. So we can convert the given list into a set. Like this, the time complexity becomes O(n), but the space complexity is also O(n). Because of this line, here we're creating a set of length n. There's a better solution by using math. We know the range is from 0 to n, and we know there is only one number missing, so we can calculate the sum from 0 to n, then subtract the sum of the given list. This result should be the missing number. Sum of range. This is the sum of 0 to n. Subtract the sum of the given list. This result should be the missing number. Time complexity is O(n) because of this sum and this sum. Space complexity is O1. If you're familiar with the Gauss formula, this part can be replaced as this. Thank you.